Welcome back to Uprising AI. Today, we're diving into the newest frontier of generative AI, ChatGPT-5. Launched on August 7, 2025, this version has been hyped as the smartest and most capable AI model OpenAI has ever created. But is it really a revolution or just another step forward with its own share of problems? Let's find out. ChatGPT-5 is OpenAI's latest flagship large language model. It replaces the earlier versions like GPT-4, GPT-4o, GPT-4.1, and GPT-4.5, becoming the default engine behind ChatGPT and the OpenAI API. With this update, OpenAI promises not just incremental improvements, but a leap toward making AI smarter, more versatile, and far more useful in daily life. OpenAI describes GPT-5 as smarter across the board. It isn't just about answering simple questions anymore. It's been tested and shown to perform at a near expert level in math, science, finance, law, and even health-related queries. In practice, that means it feels like having a panel of specialists available at your fingertips. Reasoning is sharper, hallucinations are fewer, and the model has gotten much better at following instructions without sounding overly agreeable or robotic. One of the standout improvements is in vibe coding, where the model can generate entire functional applications just from a description, opening up new opportunities for developers. But GPT-5 isn't limited to text. It's a true multimodal model, handling not just text prompts, but also images, audio, and in some cases, even video inputs. It integrates smoothly with tools like web browsing, image generation, file analysis, memory, and custom instructions. Token capacity has also been pushed to new heights, with up to 128,000 tokens in fast mode and a staggering 196,000 in thinking mode, allowing for much longer and more detailed conversations. Beyond sheer intelligence, GPT-5 also puts a big focus on personalization. Users can now choose personality tones like listener or cynic, and even customize the look and feel of their chat experience. Voice mode has become more natural, capable of matching tone and mood. For professionals, it also integrates with Gmail, Google Calendar, and Contacts, making it easier to weave AI directly into everyday productivity workflows. One of the big changes in ChatGPT-5 is how users interact with it. Instead of a single model experience, OpenAI now offers 3 distinct modes: Auto, Fast, and Thinking. Auto balances performance automatically, Fast prioritizes speed, and Thinking is designed for deep, complex reasoning. There's even a mini version of Thinking for lighter tasks. Free users get a taste with limited access, plus subscribers get much higher limits with up to 160 messages every 3 hours and thousands of thinking mode queries per week. Pro and team users unlock even greater capacity and higher context windows. Interestingly, because of backlash, OpenAI has also brought back older models like GPT-4.0 to all paid users by default, giving users more choice in how they interact with ChatGPT. Now, this is where things get interesting. On paper, GPT-5 is the most powerful model yet. It has the reasoning, the speed, the multimodal features, and the integrations that make it more useful than ever before. Tech outlets have praised its upgrades, and Reuters even reported that over 700 million users already have access to it, with particularly strong adoption in enterprise software, finance, and health. But not everyone is happy. Some users have complained that GPT-5 feels too cold or robotic compared to GPT-4.0. Others feel it's almost like talking to an overworked secretary, efficient but not particularly fun or creative. On Reddit, some users even accused OpenAI of simply repainting GPT-4.0 and calling it GPT-5, with one saying, "I've been a paid user for years, now I'm considering moving to another provider." There are also security and safety concerns. Independent researchers have shown that GPT-5 can still be tricked into producing harmful instructions if prompted cleverly. Wired reported how simple misspellings could bypass filters designed to block unsafe requests, highlighting that even the smartest AI can still have cracks in its armor. Finally, there's the broader debate. Some critics argue that AI development is slowing down, that GPT-5 isn't the AGI breakthrough many expected, and that OpenAI may be facing industry pressure to push out upgrades faster than society can safely adapt to them. So, where does that leave us? On one hand, GPT-5 is undeniably a breakthrough. Its reasoning is more advanced, it can handle massive conversations, it integrates with your digital life, and it's more powerful than anything before it. On the other hand, it's also faced backlash for being less human, more rigid, and still vulnerable to safety flaws. ChatGPT-5 is a massive leap forward in terms of capability and integration, but it's not perfect. It shows us how far AI has come while also reminding us of the challenges that remain. For creators, businesses, and everyday users, it's both a powerful tool and a work in progress. So what do you think? Is GPT-5 the groundbreaking upgrade you were waiting for, or does it still feel like it's missing a soul? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI.